Hello friends, today in this video I'm gonna be walking through how to add contributor to Wix website. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, open your Wix site dashboard and click on settings and click on role and permissions. And to add a new contributor, click on invite people and enter the contributor email address and roles. From this list you can select any role. You can select admin, co-owner, you can select website manager, website designer, billing manager, domain manager. So right now I'm going to select here admin, co-owner, and then click on these view role permissions to see the permissions of this role. And if you want to modify, you can click on duplicate and edit. And now you can change the role title and you can add a description. And inside of this permissions you can check or uncheck any permissions from here. And once you're happy, click on save and click on send invite. Click on skip. So here we can see our invitation was sent successfully. Now the contributor will get an email with a verification. So I'm going to my Gmail account and here we can see I got a invite link here. So all I have to do is just clicking on accept invite and clicking on accept invite. So this is how we can add contributor to Wix website. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.